Hello, my little learners. Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today we are going to learn something super interesting. Come on, let's explore prepositions together and have lots of fun. What is a preposition? Preposition is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun to show the place, time, and direction. Now let's go with some examples. Where's the cat? The cat is on the table. So, on is a preposition. Children, observe the pictures carefully. The fruits are in the basket. In is the preposition. The dog is under the tree. Next, the ball is near the box. The highlighted words are prepositions. Birds fly over the houses. The boy is in front of the mirror. Wow, great job, my smart learners. Today we learn about prepositions. Now it's your turn. Try to find prepositions around you at home. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next fun learning video. Bye.